Okay, good. No, 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 no. Go. No, 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 no. I closed out of my game! Nintendo E-Boy on his left nipple. No! No! For all I know, Slime Rancher could have like an infinite... Hasta la vista, bitch. Okay, anyway, for all I know, Slime Rancher could... I will cheer us all... Share. Down, 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 up, down, down. Maybe I'll impale a slime with a carrot, and they'll become like a slurret. Slurret sounds like a slur. I shouldn't say that. You fucking slurret. Oh, I am probably going to get in trouble for that. What was I doing again? Oh, right, hold on. Owies! Elder Roostro! Hen hen, Stony hen. Stony hen, Stony hen, Stony hen, Stony hen. Press E to activate. Oh, there's a new guy! Odin Ortiz. What voice do I give you? Hello, everybody. Fuck it, we do Markiplier. I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out? Sure, man. Alright, Markiplier. You want cube berries and some actual fruits actual beetroots I'm growing. Shit, they're not ready yet. Fuck. Where do I find cube berries from again? I forgot. There was a place I got cube berries from, wasn't there? Pretty sure there was. So let's go try to find that place again, I guess. There's a place over there. Can I get over there, do you think? I don't know. I don't want to risk it either. Let's just see, right? Hold on. Wait for my... Okay. Fly, 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 fly. I might be able to. I don't know. I might be able to. Alright, let's try it. What's the worst that could happen? I die and fall into the ocean. But I didn't die and fall into the ocean. So that's pretty cool. Oh, there's a dead beetroot. Those are dead beetroots. Or, heartbeat, sorry. But hey, I made it over here. That's pretty cool. Right? Oh, those fruits just fell into the water. Okay, now how do I get up here? I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh shit, I don't know if I'll be able to. Well, that sucks. So now how do I get over there? No, 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 no. Everything worked out smoothly. We are fine, ladies and gentlemen, we are fine. I didn't panic, you didn't panic, we didn't panic, and we're fine. Yeah, it's over here. I think I have actually been here before. Yeah, I have been here before. There's some heartbeats though, so that's pretty cool, I guess. But other than that, we have been here before. I want to explore new places, man. There's not very many new places around. I'm going up here. Wee! Wee! Aww. Woo! Look! There's a new place up here! I think. Or is this another place I've already been at? Hello! Hello, pretties! Pretty slimes, hello! Yeah, this isn't a place I think I've been before. Oh no, I have. Shit. I want to see new places, man. I'm always at the same place, same time. I want to explore new places and find new wonders of the world. So many slimes piled up over here. All just for one fucking chicken. That poor chicken. That's the equivalent of a Minecraft player on top of a fucking mountain of baby zombies. You're safe. You don't have to worry anymore. You're safe. And we fly. Shit. Wee-bee. And we fly. Yes. Yes. Okay, now I want to get over there. Unless, ooh. Once again, new place. Hello, slimes. What's down here? It's a cave. Cave. Secret tunnel that leads to fucking water. Cool. What's the fucking purpose of this then? Ooh. I once lost a boot off this here cliff. Now, I never said that these journals would be full of important information, and to be fair, it was just a darn good boot. Damn. Damn. R.I.P. to Mr. H's boot. I forgot his name already. Please don't shout at me. I want to explore new places. Before I do that, though, I hear another bad guy. You're safe, don't worry. You're safe, don't worry. See, he's dead now. You're good. You're safe. Oh, come on! I can get up there. I can get up there. You can't fool me. I know I can get up here. Ooh, this game. Come on. I can get up there. Come on. Okay, wait for the energy to come back. I can get up there. I can get up there. I just need to stay right here. Oh, come on! Come on, come on. Yes! Okay. Wait for your energy to heal up, and we go up here. What is up here, though, I wonder? Fucking nothing, because I can't get up here. Damn it. Tree. Yes! Tree. 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 Yes! Okay. This is big. Chat, this is big. We are up here now. Chat, we are exploiting the game in ways the game probably never thought was possible. Just to find some new places that I've never been to, because I would not do good in a maze. Trust me. If I ever made a maze-inspired game, it would be a fucking nightmare for me to actually figure out. Another death sign over here. So I must not have been to this place before. I don't know, at least I don't think so. My children came back from home to tell me they are fucking pissed at me. Have food, children, and please leave me alone. Children, please have food. And stop being angry. Children, have food. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I'm going. Fuck off. Please? Please be a good boy. Please be a good boy. Please, 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 please. Ooh, 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 ooh. Have a pink plort. Have a pink plort. Have a pink plort. Okay, tar is way less scarier than you fucking things. Tar, go over there. Stop attacking me. Working together with fucking tar. Fuck off. Now they're just annoying. Please get off my ass. I wanna get up here. Why is this game torturing me so much? I know I can get up here, so let me up here. Please. Please. I just want to fly. Why you with my wings? Like jump underneath me and give me like a fucking jump boost? No, you're gonna fucking bite my ears off. Both of those I don't want. Well, one of those I don't want. Ow. Okay, how do I get out of here? So you guys are just fucking assholes. Have fun starving down there, fucking tar. Ooh. There's a passage over here, though. So what's over here? That was absolutely worth it. That was absolutely worth it. You know what? I don't have very much stuff to lose. Let's just die. Tank booster Mark II. Finally! Yay! We got a tank boost we can use. Tank Boost Mark 2. Ah, you can't buy it! I guarantee you that guy is very pissed at me now, because yeah, he isn't... Yeah, he lost. He's no longer calling me. Oh, I got a star mail from him. He's probably super pissed. Let's go see what he had to say.
Why you took me off the motherfucking schedule with your trifling, dirty, white, racist ass, you big fat bitch, oompa loompa body ass bitch.
Well, 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 it seems like another wannabe rancher has signed up for a lonely existence on a faraway space rock. Congrats, Beatrix. Man, fuck you. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles, as in Tatsuya Miles. Tatsuya Miles, the billionaire. I'm here to do important business for my dad, but that doesn't mean I won't make all the rest of these backwater types out here look bad in the process. Not one quarters of the plort market like I do. No one conquers the plort market like I do. Day in, day out. My dad gives me the inside track, so look forward to my requesting plorts and that I know will make me huge profits later on. Okay, so you're a fucking asshole. Another wannabe rancher. Another wannabe rancher. 7Z Corporation Rewards Club. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to extend a very special offer to you. An invitation to the very exclusive, exceptionally choice, high sought-after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Rewards Club allows you to earn ultra-premium ranks with an exclusive club for only a semi-ultra-premium price. It's just that easy. Each rank grants you a new club title, along with a unique reward such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We look forward to your enrollment. The 7Z Corporation offering you a path to greatness on the large sum of $9 at a time. We love corporations that fucking put a giant fucking price tag on literally anything. Gotta feed my little guys. Stony Hen, you want some heartbeats? I got some heartbeats. So have some of those. I'm gonna take this call. Whoa. Whoa. Well, my bad. You know, I said some things, right? I said asshole and stuff like that. I take that back. Hello, beautiful. Any of these plorts post haste, whatever that means. Yes, ma'am. Hello, beautiful. What'd you need? Like, 4 tabby plorts? Oh, you just need 2? That's fucking beetroot. I don't know why I turned the Ronald McDonald there for a second. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I need to grab some pink plorts now. Luckily, pink slimes aren't that hard to find. I just need to go out here. There they are. And now I need to feed all of you carrots. So, everyone line up for the carrot train. Give me your shit. Give me your shit. Give me your shit. I will take all of your shits. Okay, I got 10 of them. I don't know if that's good enough or not, but I will go check. It is, actually. You only use it 4. Hasty exchange. Fulfill a range exchange quest between noon and 2 p.m. I got cool berries!